Chapter 3 Computer Languages. Central idea. What do you mean by software? How can we categorize the softwares? Different computer languages. Compiler and interpreter. Introduction. Software is a set of programs that have no physical presence. They are stored in digital form within computer memory for accessing or operating a computer effectively. A program is a sequence of instructions written to solve a particular problem. Software enables the user to interact with the computer and to perform tasks. Without software, computers would be useless. Software programs assist computer systems and network to start and work. There are two types of software: system software, application software. System software. System software is a collection of programs used to control and coordinate with the hardware, and others are the application software. The system software can perform the following functions: communicates with hardware devices, controls and monitors the proper use of various hardware resources like CPU, memory, peripheral devices like monitor, printer, etc. It supports the execution and development of other application software. Few categories of system software are: some system softwares such as operating system, communication software, compiler, interpreters, and device drivers for various devices like keyboard, monitor, web camera, etc. System softwares are further classified into operating system, compiler, interpreter, assembler, application software, utility software. Programming languages. Programming language is a language used to write computer programs, which involve a computer performing some kind of computation or algorithm and possibly control external devices such as printer, robots, and so on. Evolution of computer language. A language is defined as the medium of expression of thoughts. All the human beings in this world communicate with each other by a particular language. Similarly, computer also needs some medium to communicate with others. A computer follows the instructions given by the programmer to perform a specific job. To perform a specific task, programmer prepares a sequence of instructions known as program. A program written for a computer is known as software. Let us talk about the journey of computer software languages. First generation languages. 1GL is machine language. Second generation languages. 2GL is assembly language. Third generation languages. 3GL is high level languages. Fourth generation languages. 4GL is fifth generation language. 5GL is